Fibonacci said,
You know, kids, you can't think of almost everything as a math problem.
on Tuesday, I start having problems. Oh, look at that cloud. Don't you think it kind of looks like a goldfish? A goldfish, really? I don't know. I just think it looks a lot like the symbol for infinity myself. Okay. Oh, and what about that one? I kind of see a table. A table? Or the Greek letter pi. 3.1415. Sorry. Oh, and that one's a heart. So cute. A heart. Or a negative graph of the function y equals x plus or minus 5 squared. Okay, what is wrong with you? I'm sorry, I guess I just have a math curse by John Sheska and Lane Smith. On Tuesday, I wake up at 7:15. It takes me 10 minutes to get dressed, 15 minutes to eat my breakfast, and 1 minute to brush my teeth. Suddenly, it's a problem.
If your bus leaves at 8 o'clock, will you make it on time? How many minutes in 1 hour? How many teeth in 1 mouth?
I open my closet and the problems just get worse. I have 3 white shirts, 3 blue shirts, that wonderfully plaid shirt my Uncle Zeno gave me,
Here you go, kiddo.
and a striped shirt.
How many shirts is that all together? How many shirts would you have if you threw away that awful plaid shirt? And when will Uncle Zeno quit sending you such ugly shirts?
I'm getting a little worried. Everything seems to be a math problem. I take out the milk from my cereal and wonder,
How many quarts in a gallon? How many pints in a quart? How many inches in a foot? How many feet in a yard? How many yards in a neighborhood? How many feet in your shoes? How many inches in a pint? And how old is that milk anyway?
I don't even bother to take out the cereal. I don't want to know how many flakes in a bowl. It's obvious Miss Fibonacci has put a math curse on me. I try to get on my bus without thinking about anything, but there are already 5 kids on my bus. 5 more get on at the next stop. 5 more get on at the next stop, and 5 more get on at the last stop.
True or false? What is the bus driver's name?
There are 24 kids in my class. I just know someone's going to bring me cupcakes to share. We sit in 4 rows with 6 desks in each row. What if Miss Fibonacci rearranged the desks to make
8 rows, 4 rows, 3 rows, 2 rows.
I count the kids in my class again, this time by 2s, and I'm about to really lose it. The lunch bell rings.
Okay, kids, have a good lunchtime.
Unfortunately for me, lunch is pizza and apple pie. Each pizza is cut into 8 equal slices, and each pie is cut into 6 equal slices. And you know what that means. Fractions.
If you want 2 slices of pizza, should you ask for 1/8, 2/8, or 2 slices of pizza? What's another way to say 1/2 of an apple pie? 1/6, 3/6, or la moitié d'une tarte aux pommes? Which one tastes better, half of a pizza or half of an apple pie? Well,
We haven't studied fractions yet, so I just take 12 carrot sticks 3 at a time and eat them 2 at a time.
okay, kids, lunchtime's over.
The whole afternoon is one problem after another.
Social studies.
Social studies is a geography problem. The Mississippi River is about 4,000 kilometers long. An M&M is about 1 centimeter long. There are 100 centimeters in a meter and 1,000 meters in a kilometer.
Estimate how many M&Ms it would take to measure the length of the Mississippi River. Estimate how many M&Ms you would eat. If you had to measure the length of the Mississippi River in M&Ms. Bonus question, can you spell Mississippi without any M&Ms? Well, pull out your English book then.
English is a word problem. If mail plus box equals mailbox.
Does lipstick minus stick equal it? Does tuna fish plus tuna fish equal 4 nut fish?
Yes!
No. Okay, children, it's math time.
Math? Math is just a total problem. Miss Fibonacci says,
There are many different ways to count. Can anybody give me some examples? Okay, yeah?
Russell says,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, I can count. Thank you.
Miss Fibonacci says,
Yes, Miss Fibonacci. I always like to count 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. But on the planet Tetra, kids only have 2 fingers on each hand. They count 1, 2, 3, 10. And on the planet Binary, kids only have 1 finger on each hand. They count 1, 10. Name the next 5 numbers in each of the above sequences. Do you think anyone's ever been to the planet Tetra?
we're just about to go home for the day when Kelly remembers the special birthday cupcakes her mom made.
Okay, there are 24 students in the class again. Oh, Kelly has 24 cupcakes.
Wait, so what's the problem?
Kelly wants me to have a cupcake too.
Everyone is going crazy trying to figure out what fraction of each cupcake each person will get. I'm the first to figure out the answer.
Yeah, okay, what's up?
Miss Fibonacci, I'm allergic to cupcakes.
Aw, that's too bad.
Everyone
24.
believes me and gets one
1,
cupcake, and no one
0.
has to figure out fractions. Boom! I burst out of school. I have to find something to break this math curse. Candy store.
Ding ding.
I decide to try chocolate. My favorite candy bar is usually 50 cents. Oh, but guess what? Today it's on sale for 50% off.
X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Where a equals the number of letters in your first name, b equals your age, and c equals your shoe size.
I just decided to buy liquors instead. I pull out my money. I have a $1 bill, a $5 bill, a quarter, and a penny. George Washington is on both the $1 bill and the quarter. And Abraham Lincoln is on both the $5 bill and the penny.
So which is true? 1 Washington equals 25 Lincolns. 1 Washington equals 100 Lincolns. 5 Washingtons equals 1 Lincoln more. 1 Lincoln equals 20 Washingtons.
Don't forget to show your work.
Bonus question. How do y'all think Thomas Jefferson feels about all this?
Dinner brings no relief. While passing the mashed potatoes, Mom says,
What your father says is false.
Dad helps himself to some potatoes and says,
What your mother says is true, son.
I think about that. If what Mom says is true, then what Dad says is false. But if what Dad says is false, then what Mom says isn't true. But if what Mom says isn't true, then what Dad says is false, then that can't be true because he says what she says is true and she says what he says is false. Can that be true? I think about that. And then I think about it some more. And then I think I better just go to bed. I can do 8 buttons plus 2 shoelaces. I subtract 2 socks, multiply times 2 shoes, divide by 3 pillows to get 5 sheep, remainder 1. Which is all I need to count before I fall asleep.
And that's when the problems really begin.
I dream I'm trapped in a room with no windows and no doors. The room is covered with a lifetime of problems. I only have 1 piece of chalk. How do I get out? I'm about to give up and die when the answer to my problems comes to me. Fractions. I break the piece of chalk in half. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. I put the hole up on the wall and jump out. I'm free! I've broken the math curse. I can solve any problem. And life is just great. Until science class, when Mr. Newton says,
You know, kids, you can think of almost everything as a science experiment.